SiaCoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the urgent news update of the SiaCoin. Absolutely, my friends, this update is very necessary for all holders of the SiaCoin. SiaCoin holders, be alert and watch this video. But my friends, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. My friends, if you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about SiaCoin. Now this time the currently latest price of the SiaCoin is 0.01 USD dollar. That's the latest price of the SiaCoin. Furthermore, if you can see here that price of SiaCoin in the Bitcoin, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the SiaCoin. A lot of update is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out these reading. My friends, other side, furthermore, if we talk about the price changes, oh my goodness, the price changes of the SiaCoin is going good, but unfortunately, that's why I'm telling you that this is the urgent news, because the last 60 minutes, last 1 hour price change is negative 2.07%. Price falls down in the last 60 minutes. Other side, the 24 hours, last 1 week, the both changes is positive. And if these changes is positive, so that's mean that absolutely you are in the profit if the changes is positive, my friends. So now at this time, the people, a lot of people confused, a lot of people angry to the SiaCoin that why the price falls down. But don't worry about this falls, my friends. The last 60 minutes, last 1 hour price falls down is negative, temporary, my friends. After some passage of time, after 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe after a few hours, the price will again pump. But remember, absolutely you will get profit if you hold for long term. If you hold for long term, you will get profit. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this urgent news video, and you also subscribe my channel for more news and alert videos.